Hello guys, welcome back for another video. Service reset my car. Today I'm going to show you how to reset a Volkswagen Tiguan, a 2012 model. We changed the oil and the filter, and I'm going to show you how to reset that back. Okay, before we start, our YouTube channel is Service Reset My Car. You can subscribe if you like our videos. Give us a thumbs up. Okay. The first thing we have to do is turn or press the ignition on, the second position. Okay, once you are here, you have to use this side of the steering wheel to go through the menu. Once you are there, you're gonna press down and find the surface. Once you are here, press OK, and as you can see, the middle one is to reset. Just press it down to the middle one and reset. It gives us a confirmation, asks us a confirmation. Sure, are we sure? Yes, we are sure. And once you have done that, the oil change has been reset. And go and see that. As you can see, it is due to 16,100 kilometers or another year. That was it. It's not that difficult, this one, but you have to know it. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Did you enjoy the video? And didn't you subscribe to our channel? Subscribe and give us a thumbs up if you like our videos. See you next time. Bye bye.